Here's another change for running slope in perpendicular curb ramps. What's the maximum running slope of a ramp? 8.3%. But now they've included a minimum. Before now, you could have that ramp from 0 to 8.3. Now they've added this change here, 1 in 20, which is 5% minimum. So now your ramps has to be at least 5% to a maximum of 8.33. Flared sides, where pedestrian circulation path crosses a curb ramp, flared sides shall be provided and shall be sloped at 10% maximum. So I can be walking here, so as part of the circulation path. Now this has to be at 10% maximum. Flares are not for individuals with mobility devices, people in wheelchairs. These are for ambulatory folks for the changes in grade to prevent tripping hazards. That's what flares are for. Here, no flares because this is a planting area. This is not a circulation path, right? I am not intended to be walking here. If I'm intended to be walking, then flares are part of a requirement. So remember that flares are not for wheelchairs.